Greetings and welcome to Unispherical Muse, brought to you by One Spherical Love. Friday is the end of the week and I'm tired and I just want something quick and easy. And you have to reward yourself for hard work all week. So what is your reward that you're going to give to yourself? Today I'm giving myself vegan hot dog. So that's a vegan hot dog on an indoor grill. And then I melt my vegan cheese on top. And then you got apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, vegan mayo, lime juice, tahini, tamarind, salt, mushrooms, bell pepper, plant-based bread. So you want it to be quick and easy. So you got the basil, the mustard, the apple cider vinegar, you got the vegan cheese, you got the vegan mayo, and you got lime juice, and you got tamarind, and you got tahini, and then you got salt. And basically, apple cider vinegar is good if you want to bring down your high blood pressure or if you want to bring down your cholesterol because it's too high. So, Egyptians have been using apple cider vinegar for thousands of years. So, I cook for health first and taste second. And trust me, this is like a really good blend, quick and easy, and it's healthy. Enjoy, and blessings to you from Reverend Lewis.